Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Monday.com to manage LinkedIn lead pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace. Select the board where you want to manage your LinkedIn lead pipeline. If you don't have a board yet, create a new one by clicking the plus new board button. After creating the board, define your columns based on the stages of your lead pipeline. Common stages include lead in, contacted, qualified, and converted. Next, integrate your LinkedIn account with Monday.com using a third-party tool like Zapier or Integromat. In Zapier, create a new Zap by selecting LinkedIn as your trigger app. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as a new lead generated. Connect your LinkedIn account to Zapier by following the prompts. Once connected, choose your Monday.com account as the action app in the Zap. Select the action event, which should be Create Item in Board. Map the fields from LinkedIn to the corresponding columns in your Monday.com board. Customize any additional settings, like notifications or tags, according to your workflow. Test the integration to ensure all data flows correctly from LinkedIn to Monday.com. After successful testing, turn on the Zap to activate the integration. Now, go back to your Monday.com board to monitor new leads entering your pipeline. You can further customize your board by adding status updates, comments, and due dates for each lead. Regularly review your board to assess the status of your leads and adjust strategies as needed. Consider setting up automations within Monday.com for follow-up reminders or status updates. This will help streamline your lead management process even further. By following these steps, you'll effectively enable Monday.com to manage your LinkedIn lead. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.